Hello, how are you today? I hope you are feeling wonderful. If not, by the end of this video, you will. All right, today I have something exciting. Well, it happened because I wanted to be sending distance healing to someone, but I felt a little all over the place. I felt like I needed self healing and then I could do distance healing because I wanted to be all over the place. But I didn't have so much time. So I thought to myself, I wish I could guide myself into calmness as I was giving distance healing. And so that's what I've done today. I'm going to guide you while you are sending distance healing. So of course, I'm assuming that you know how to send distance healing. You're attuned to level 2. But if you're not, no worries, because if you know how to connect with Reiki, you can use this as a self-healing. All right. And again, if you don't know how to connect with Reiki, again, no worries, because I am sending you Reiki through my voice. So, in fact, I'd like all of you to stay and let me know how the experience was, especially those of you who weren't really sending distance Reiki. Let me know how you felt, okay? So, today I would like you to find a comfortable place to sit. I'd like you to be seated for today's session. Nice quiet spot where you will not be disturbed for the duration of this video. All right? If you're sitting on a chair, have your feet firmly on the ground, and I'd like your back to be straight so that the Reiki flows. Okay? All right. So those of you who don't know how to connect with the other person, who don't know how to connect with Reiki, every time I say something that you don't know how to do, no worries, just breathe, okay? And for those of you who are Reiki level 1, what you can do is you can connect with yourself when I say connect with the other person. Okay, so we'll try it like this. And I'm so excited to hear your comments. All right, so when you found a quiet spot and when you know you can trust my voice, close your eyes and take a deep breath. Connect with Reiki in the way you know how. Once you've connected, just breathe. Allow the flow of Reiki within you. Now, follow the protocol for distance Reiki and connect with the person you are going to send Reiki to. Use the symbols and follow the method you were taught when you trained in Reiki level 2. Just follow what you know and just breathe. Your hands are now placed in such a way that you are sending distance Reiki to the person you are connected. Now, just breathe and allow the flow of Reiki. As you continue to send distance Reiki to the person you are connected, just imagine a ball of light above your head. Allow this ball of light to enter into you through your head. Feel your head filled with this ball of light, and feel Reiki spreading through your head, because this ball of light is Reiki. Now the ball moves downwards into your throat. Breathe in and out. Connection with the person is there, and Reiki is reaching this person. Rest assured. Now the ball of light moves into your shoulders, from the shoulders into your elbows, into your wrists, and now into your palms. Yes, the ball of light has reached your palms and floods your hands with this magnificent energy. And so now, every time you exhale, this magnificent energy Reiki reaches the person you are sending it to. It just happens automatically. All you are doing is allowing the flow of Reiki within you. When you do that, Reiki easily and seamlessly flows into and reaches the person you are sending it to. So just breathe. Really, just breathe. All you have to do is allow the Reiki within you and know that Reiki is reaching the person, because you are now connected to that person through Reiki. Just breathe and trust in the universe. Just breathe and allow the flow. Just breathe and trust yourself. Allow the flow of Reiki for a few more moments. Just allow the flow. Just breathe and allow the flow. Now, bring your attention back to the person you're sending Reiki to. Send them your love and well wishes along with the flow of Reiki. And with that, say your gratitude and end the session. You can end the session in the way you were taught. Wonderful! How did it go? Was it much easier, wasn't it? Right? So even when we are doing distance healing and you know you have the symbol and everything, sometimes you could do with a little extra help, just like this. So come back to it anytime you feel like you're not sure. All right? Okay. Now, this is great, because Reiki flows across space and time. But just imagine if we were doing this live together. Just imagine you were participating in one of our live sessions. How much energy would you feel if you can feel right now? Okay, I'm not gonna say anymore. Just hop on, join the live sessions, practice sessions, workshops that we offer. All right. Thanks for watching, and I hope you had a wonderful time. Please don't forget to subscribe and make sure you click the bell button as well, because that will let you know when the next video is coming up. Thank you so much. Till next time. I am so grateful to have shared this moment with you.